So in this video we're going to run through what I have in my gym bag, why, and what I use certain things for. So I have a lot of random stuff in my gym bag. Rider wear bag from back in the day when I used to be sponsored by them. So I haven't actually tidied this up, my bag's always a bit of a mess, but we'll go through anyway. So firstly, shaker I've just trained, so that's my protein jug, which is about 2 litres. So I'll have my intra-workout in here. So that'll be my carbohydrates, aminos, Pepto, Pro, creatine, have it all mixed in and I'll drink whilst training, so that's in my gym bag. I have my logbooks. This is a new one by Strength Factory, which is absolutely G because it has, I'll show you, goes, if that focuses, so you've got space for week 1, week 2, week 3, all on one logbook. So that's very, very good. I've also got my old logbook, which is a scrappy A4 book, which is a complete mess. Here we've got Johnson CJ Coaching Cardio Belt, it's pretty dope. So these are cuff wraps, so these are from Amazon. A lot of people ask me, so you see I do a lot of cable raisers, line cable raisers. So these are RDX cuff wraps you can put to cable machines. I bought my own pair because a lot of gyms don't actually have them. Next up, Vibram 5-finger shoes. These shouldn't be in my bag to be fair, but these are basically what I wear on leg day or when I'm training calves. These are phenomenal for engaging with the floor better, getting better grip and contracting better through your calves and your quads. Next up, we've got knee sleeves from Tuff Wraps. So these big bad boys, these come out if I'm doing heavy compound lifts and I'm getting any knee pain. I try to stay away from these. At the moment I haven't used them at all, to be fair, so at the moment I haven't had to use these, but if worse is worse and I get knee pain, these bad boys come out and they're very good. They've got a lot of compression in them, so they don't help you lift like a knee wrap will, but they just give compression and warmth to the joint. Dirty gym towel, it's not so exciting. And then I've got stretchy bands, so I use these to warm up shoulders like that. So that's for opening up the scapula, warm up the shoulders, open up flexibility. So I have some of these keep in my bag. Now these are probably one of the most used items I have, my Tuff Wraps wrist supports, so I bang them around there for every pressing movement. They work very, very well. I would highly recommend these. If anyone wants any, I did have some cheaper ones before which were nothing like as good. If anyone wants some of these, the discount code is below in the bio, in the summary for the video, and also a link where you can buy them. So Charlie 10 gives you 10% off. Similar to the Tuff Wrap knee sleeve, Tuff Wraps elbow wraps, and then some wrist straps. I've actually got 2 pairs in here, some old plain ones, and I've got some Tuff Wrap ones. Some ear covers, so I put these on my headphones for when I'm doing cardio, because of these words they get mank when I'm sweating. And that is like a lacrosse ball, so I'll put this under the ball of my foot before doing legs to try and loosen out the tendons and ligaments underneath my feet, which will allow me more ankle mobility because I'm very flat-footed. That's something I suffer with massively, so these are very, very good. I also use this in my shoulder and my left side against the wall to try and loosen out a hypertonic pec here, which is very tight all the time, just trying to loosen that out. So these work very, very well, so it's great to have these in your bag. And other than that, that is it. So that is what I have in my gym bag, because a lot of people ask me about this. So mainly lifting accessories, mobility accessories, other bits and pieces like that. So what do you have in your gym bag? Let me know, comment below. Any questions on any of this stuff, guys, or anything to do with training, equipment, accessories, let me know. Please comment in the video. Please let me know your thoughts. Have a wonderful day.